Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Cyclone HudHud hits Andhra, devastates Vishakapattnam. Trains, flights cancelled. 5 dead, 4 lakh evacuated. Cyclone moving towards Odisha. IMD says worst over. Goa mining leases renewal case not to come up for hearing on Monday. Forest bench likely to hear case on Friday. Modi government plans to amend MMDR Act for lease auction. First edition of Indian Super League kicks off ceremony. Atletico de Kolkata clashes with Mumbai FC in inaugural. Wins match 3-0. Bidder for Mopa Airport to be finalized by 12 January 2015. Government to hand over Mopa land to project bidder after environment impact assessment study is through. Kansaulam Gram Sabha opposes Mopa, signed memorandum with their blood impression. Kasalka's fear pro-Mopa lobby will later close down Daboli. Now the news in detail. Cyclone HudHud ravaged Andhra Pradesh on Sunday afternoon after it made its landfall with winds speeding up to 180 km per hour. 5 people have died in both states. Vishakapattnam is the worst hit. Around 3 lakh people in Andhra and almost a lakh in Odisha have been evacuated. 62 trains were cancelled, 51 were diverted. Flights were also cancelled. By evening, cyclone is getting reduced into a depression. Major casualties were averted as NDRF and government machinery was on alert.
Cyclone HudHud made its landfall in Vishakapattnam with thunder on Sunday afternoon. Cyclone HudHud has caused major damage to buildings, crops and telecommunication. Southern Central Railways have cancelled their 62 trains and have diverted their 51 trains in Vishakapattnam. Around 3 lakh people are evacuated in Andhra Pradesh and about 93,000 in Odisha. Northern Andhra Pradesh is most adversely hit while southern Odisha is facing heavy rainfall.
Eye has the diameter of about 25 kilometers, so it will take about an hour or so for the entire eye to move over the land, and again the second half of the wall cloud region will come over the area, again leading to the heavy rain and strong winds, etc. Therefore, this is a temporary release of the strong winds and the heavy rain.
40,000 people have been moved to relief camps in Andhra. IMD says Cyclone HudHud is getting reduced to a depression.
The cyclone, after crossing the coast, will lose its intensity very rapidly because it is a mountainous terrain. Within 6 hours, it will become a cyclonic storm, losing the wind speed by about 50% and further lose another 50% in next 6 hours. By that time, it will become depression.
Till now, 5 deaths are confirmed due to this storm and rains. There is a heavy rainfall warning for Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Uttar Pradesh. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Crucial hearing on renewal of 28 mining leases before the Supreme Court has been postponed. Forest bench will not be meeting on Monday. Hearing of Goa mining leases renewal case will come up for only after Forest bench schedules its meeting. Sources indicated that Forest bench will be sitting likely on Friday. Goa government has decided to renew the leases under MMDR Act while Modi government intends to amend it for auction of resources. Petitioner Claude Alvarez has sought a stay on judgment of the High Court at Goa on renewal of 28 mining leases.
Hearing on renewal of 28 mining leases, which was scheduled for Monday, has been postponed now. The Forest Bench of Apex Court will not have a sitting on Monday. Sources informed that hearing on Goa mining leases renewal case may likely come up on Friday. Sources inform that Modi government will amend the MMDR Act, which will allow the auction of natural resources, which includes the auction of mining leases. Amendments are likely to be introduced in the parliamentary session scheduled in November. Before the MMDR Act amendment, Goa government plans to renew the mining leases, which are stamp duty paid. Meanwhile, the truck owners in Goa have demanded a concrete policy for the transportation of auctioned ore. Nearly 300 truck owners held a meeting at Dharbanoda and alleged that SEZA Goa is creating a rift between the truck owners on the transportation issue. Transportation fares have crashed following stiff competition amongst the ore transporters. Ore transporters seek government's intervention.
दोन्ही आता युनियनामध्ये घालतात ट्रकमध्ये सेजा गोत घालतात कंपनीत घालतात
आम्ही सरकाराक विनंती केली आहे दोन्ही असोसिएशनान बसून तुम्ही रेट फायनल करचे रेट डिक्लेअर जावनी आम्ही रेट डिक्लेअर करूया कोणाक खंयचो ट्रक चलोवपाक जाय ते मागीर सगळ्या लायनी सगळ्यांचे ट्रक चलोवचे हे आम्ही सरकाराक निवेदन केले आहे ते आमचे प्रश्न गांभीर्यान मुख्यमंत्र्यान सोडोवपाक जाय.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Let's football. Big Bang Soccer Indian Super League has begun. The mega football fest was kicked off on Sunday evening at Kolkata. Opening ceremony glittered with star-studded performances by the Bollywood stars. ISL has been co-promoted by IMG Reliance. There are 8 city-based franchises in ISL. Atletico de Kolkata beat Mumbai City FC by 3-0 in its opening fixture at Salt Lake Stadium. FC Goa will clash with Chennai on 15th October at Fatarda Stadium. Final match will be played on 20th December.
I declare the Hero Indian Super League open. Woohoo! Let's show them how it's done. Come on, India. Let's football!
To make him move, doesn't have to go left or right, just falls straight on top of it.
And what he's got to be so careful of there is the spill.
Pops out, chase a handball. All right, the referee let it go. This hits the back of the net, and it's a good from Arnal. He's gone 60 yards in the heat and humidity, and that is not as simple as it looks in terms of finish. Oh yeah, 3 is the
Mumbai City, who have battled away, collected a yellow card for his celebrations, but that won't spoil the night for Atletico de Kolkata. 1 goal in the first half, 2 in the second. They have seen off Mumbai City with an all-round team performance. Atletico de Kolkata 3, Mumbai City 0 it is.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.